Cats, hold on, cats. It's your boy TK. You see the top cat back again on the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to the page. Also follow me on all platforms. If you get a chance to, you like the content, continue to support the boy, man. Run them numbers up, share the platform to your friends, to your friends, to your haters, to your haters. You know how that is. Just keep doing what y'all been doing. Today we finna upgrade the system in this car. It's a factory. I think it's a factory setup into this car. I just got to replace the speakers in here. And I got an amp. I just decided, do I want to go with a 1500 or a 2000? And I don't know yet. I'm depending on it, but I got amps in here. But I supposed to meet up with another dude with the amp. I'm trying to debate, do I want to go out to go get that amp? Cause I'm contacted dude. I was supposed to leave right after I came up. I got sleepy, man. I woke up extra early this morning. Cause my son graduated. Congrats to my son. He going to middle school, and the school's about to get out in a couple more, 3 more days. Everybody gonna be wandering off to summer break. I'm working for a school, so I'm gonna be on summer break too. So I was supposed to link up with this cat online. I probably buying his amp till he like an hour out from where I'm living at. And I'm not gonna drive. I don't mind driving, don't get me wrong. But I try to make some type of effort to meet him halfway so we both ain't driving too far. Like, if it's like an hour and a half, let's just meet in between, you know what I'm saying? We ain't both driving. I'm not driving it unless it's a bigger item or I'm driving to go get the car. If I'm making effort to drive it. You get what I'm saying? Everything is kind of different when you meet with people who try to buy these items off Facebook marketing. So it's out of depends. If it's like a little small or any type of mid-sized item, you know what I'm saying? I go out there, just go out there anyway. But like, I'm working, everybody else working, got skills, got things to do. We try to make time as effort we can from both parties. So I talked to the guy, like me, he busy, I'm busy, I'm not trying to bait him out. I'm trying to, the fact is, if you got a little effort to meet me halfway, instead of you ain't driving too far, I ain't driving too far, let's just meet up in the middle. Same I do, if somebody try to buy something from me and they say the same thing for me, I'll meet you in the middle, you know what I'm saying? Some people show up, some people don't show up. Like right now, I'm talking to the guy, he want me to go ahead and get the thing. But get the amp, it's a 1500D, it's a efficient amp. I wanted it. I saw another amp for the same price, but it's a 2000. It's the same one I have right now. It's a TC Sounds. I got TC Sounds 1500, and the one I saw on eBay for the same price I'm gonna buy the amp from this other dude. It's a 2000 it's Class D. So I'm debating, try to see if I want to order that or get the one down there. So it's a big decision. So kind of decision I have to make. So I'm trying to debate, do I want to go with 2000 or go 1500? Because I'm not going to a crazy system build on here. I'm just making an SQL system. And that's it with 2 subs. I don't got too much room to work with my laptop. I'm doing something with my laptop. I wish I had internet inside my garage, but I gotta use my phone as internet. So my phone nowhere. So I got to download my music on my SD card. So I got to do that right quick. But I'm trying to link my hotspot to my computer. I'm gonna do that in a minute. But what I was saying is, my Mustang right here, I'm barely got eating room. So I got to work what I have. I can fit 10s in here, especially being a drop top. but it's hard to try to fit a certain box in these type of model Mustangs. And that's what I'm going through. I'm going through difficult problems with the Mustang cause I thought the trunk was one that I thought the trunk was a mid-size trunk. So I'm just moving this right quick so I can show you the trunk. I had thought the trunk was kind of mid-size, but it's kind of narrow to put certain boxes inside the trunk. About this being a drop top, it's just kind of hard. So I'm gonna have to figure something out what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to go with 12, 10s, or 8s. That's right. That's what I'm kind of stuck in between. But by me liking seal enclosures, I'm trying to see what can I improve in. I know I can improve in speaker sizes, but it is up to right now. It's up to like 12s. If I'm mistaken, it's 12s. I can't go no bigger than 12 from the size of this trunk. And then I gotta have the airspace to hit the sub perform right. So I'm caught up in between it. So I know 8's gonna hit hard, but you gotta go with a high performance 8. At least 3 of them, maybe 3 or 4, if I got room for them. So that's the only thing I'm in between right now. I gotta cut this right quick. I gotta find my cutter. I'll deal with that in a minute. Before I get through, I'm about to show y'all the trunk. Give me time. Damn, I got the key in my hands and the trunk right here. So this type of trunk space I have, man, and it's kind of narrow because that drop top is right there. So I got this type of space I'm working with. I could put a 10 box in there. I could definitely put a 10 box, but this part right here gets me. So it's very, very hard to put a 10 box in here. I mean a 12 box in here. But I seen people online doing it, but they got a hard top instead of a drop top. So it's easy to put some speakers in the trunk when you got a hard top SN95 car, Mustang, GT, or whatever. But it's the trunk, man. All the trunks is different, man. It's very different. See, I got a drop top, so it's gonna be very, very difficult to put a 10 in there. But I got plenty of space for 2. Now I just gotta find to get a prefab box. I'm gonna have to build one out of my own knowledge. And I just got to read the specs of those 10s. I maybe could put a 12 in there. Maybe not. I don't know. It's not gonna be all what I wanted to be. This is a 15, a split for the box. So you know, if that box can fit. Last time I had 10, it don't have to be a 10. It don't have to be a 10 box, and it's hard trying to find a 10 box to fit in there, unless I gotta go to eBay, and it's very hard for that. It's very, very hard. And, yeah, it's very, very hard for that part. It's very hard. Especially putting subs in here, and speakers is nothing, but just putting subs in here is very hard, and that's what I'm dealing with right now. And it's just kind of crazy. I got to just think. This should take a whole lot of thinking to see what I want to put in this car, in trunk wise. But shit. Excuse me now. I got some speakers around that laying around. I'm gonna put in her. I'm gonna put in all 6.5s. I I got some 6.5s laying around not using. I got these 6.5s. I got these. I got 2 sets of these. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 of these and put them in there for right now. For this, just for temporary use, cause the setup in here is kind of sucks, man. It plays. It's just the fact is, it sucks, man. And then also, y'all see this? This is a Boss Elite. It's a good radio. I just don't. Well, I know about Boss, but I ain't never had the radio. It's my first time using this. I could have swapped this out with another radio, but I'm gonna use this for right now until I give me another radio. Cause I don't know how the RCA's voltage coming out those. I'm trying to have like good signal RCA's coming out this. Out this radio, and it's a Apple Play, do all the other stuff like other radios. But my thing is about this is it don't got some of the features I'm looking for. They had some some of them is on here, but a lot of them is not on here. So maybe in the near future or a couple months, I'm swapping this out with another radio and sell these. That's what I'm planning on doing. But overall, it sounded great. It sounded damn good. These got tweeters in here. And these not tweeters. It's like a 2.5 or something like that. 2.5, 2 or 2.5 speaker, like a tweeter. We got 6.5. It might be a 5x8 or something. I'm gonna have to open it up. I got a 2-inch speaker, 6.5 over there. Same thing back here. So I think I had like all 6.5s. But well, next time I upgrade to a pro audio driver 6.5, I'm just gonna order 2 and just replace the ones up here what I already put in here. Take those out, put the new pro audio 6.5s in here, and just run the amp off those. And the one in the back, I just got to figure something out. But overall, man, oh yeah, excuse me, I just woke up. She gave me like an hour, some minutes of sleep. Cause I woke up, like I said, early this morning. I'm just tired, man. Cause I went up and tried to put all my content on my platform. I still got a lot more content I ain't show y'all yet. This gonna probably be a late post. I'm still late post. I'm trying to catch up because school and my business just got approved, and I just got a dealership license. All this stuff trying to come occur. Then I'm still working, and I'm doing side hustle. So this is part of the game. Just doing your own thing. So I'm finna grab all my speakers and my tweeters. Yeah, I got tweeters in there too. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here and just change the sound out, man. The timing changed the sound. It sounded good with the factory, but I think the factory speakers is about through. Cause you start hearing them barking out. Like you got to turn the whole paper off the damn speaker. I'm hearing it. But like for this right here, I think this kind of straight. Am I mistaken? I don't want to break that. Just don't want to break that. I don't want to cut y'all too long. Well, we're gonna get something done today. Give me a little time. I got one of these. I'm gonna have to get the one with the front and the back camera. This is just the front. That's gonna be installed too. Oh, Jesus. Oh, crap. Oh shit, I'm trying not to break it. Oh, I broke it. Oh my god, I try not to break it. Oh my god, I want to try to break it. I was trying to have some type of. I'm gonna cut y'all back off. This little speaker I have, not too bad. It still works. I just got to replace these, man. I don't know. Do I want to go with the same speaker with a different performance, or just stick a tweeter right there, or go two? I might even go two tweeters in here. I might. I don't know. We'll try to figure that out. But it's like 4 of these. 1, 2. I need 3 right here. I think this one looks bigger than the one up here. I'm gonna have to figure something out. But yeah, it's like 4 of those. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna have like 4 tweeters and 4 6.5s. So when I get my little money, once I get me a little more money, I'm gonna order the Pro Audio 6.5s. I'm gonna upgrade those, but I'm gonna put those on the amp. So that's just in case. I can have a little more clarity. So I ain't trying to have too much clarity. You have all them speakers on the wall. I don't do all that. I focus on functionality. You know what I'm saying? One sound good to me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be too outraged. I'm trying to make everything fit my liking, put like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody do what they want to do on their vehicles, the SUVs, cars, or whatever. But I want to have a good clarity of sound. You know what I'm saying? You can hear me coming, not just feeling me. You can hear me. You know what I'm saying? Especially out of seal enclosure application. So even though it's gonna be difficult, put a seal box in here. I just gotta work around some things. It's just something new to me having this vehicle. It's just the fact is, I want to have things sound good overall. You get what I'm saying? Without nothing lacking. I'm trying to make sure I put everything together and make it sound good. That's about it. But I know it's enough talk. I know y'all want to see it for yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and just go straight to work, and I'm gonna show you the details and everything else once I get through. For right now, I'm finna gather up all my speakers, and we finna go and get to work and go from there. And I think that's about it. I'll cut y'all cats back on, man. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you what I got so far. That's my crossover. I forgot to show you. I got a crossover, my speaker, one of my 2.5s, and I got a tweeter over here. I worked on it. So I'm gonna pick what I left off. Shit. I'm gonna pick what I left off because I'm hungry. I'm finna stop what I'm doing and go get me something to eat. I'm gonna continue with this as soon as possible when I get out of work. And go from there. Shit, man. I didn't know it gonna be a lot. That's how much I got left. I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all back on in a minute. I'm gonna explain some things right quick. Oh shit, my bad, y'all. Couldn't see. Before I end this video, like I was saying first. I'm gonna have to finish what I left off. I had a little process kind of a little long. I could have got through one side, the right side, the front right side. I gotta do all 4 speakers. So I think it's like 8 speakers in all. You got 4 little ones and 4 mid-sized ones. So it's like a 6. It's 2 6.5, 2 5x8s, or 5x7s, or 6x8s, or however you want to see it. So I'm into that, but I'm glad I did have that in between size. Cause I thought it was gonna be like another set of 6 6.5s in front, and turn around it was a 5x7. But yeah, I did one side, the right side, the front right side. You know, I'm almost through. I couldn't continue with it because my head got hurting. Well, I was finna catch a headache, but I was trying to fight through as much as possible, and then it got dark. And I'm gonna continue with that process tomorrow. Hopefully, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate the 2. I'm gonna do the 2. I'm gonna do the right. I'm gonna do the left and the right front. And after I get through that, I'm gonna do the back, the rear, right and front. Probably on another video. Cause I just got out of work. At first I wasn't even tired. I feel like I got tired all of a sudden. I just got tired. So I try not to make this a long video, even though I'm recording. I'm trying to give me something to eat. Trying to give me something to eat. I'm trying to make a somewhat short process, but not too short. I mean, not too long. I'm gonna try to find me something to eat. My head started to hurt. Not hurt bad, but it started to hurt. I know the difference. Cause I ate, but I ain't ate as much as I thought I would. I need to go ahead and eat something. Y'all stay tuned. I'll cut y'all back on tomorrow.